I'm Bethany Williams and we're going to be making a pasta sauce today. I used to work in a restaurant in Peckham called Forza Win and they make this like amazing pasta sauce. It's just what will be in your cupboards, and so yeah, I'll talk you through that today. Okay, so this is all the ingredients that you'll need. So yeah, just need to take all of the garlic. I've only got a bread knife, but you can have some better knife, and just chop that. So now you add the garlic into a pan and submerge it with olive oil. I know it looks like a lot of olive oil, but you have to do that for the recipe. Just put that on a gentle heat until that's kind of like golden. While the garlic's cooking, you can take the tomatoes and then yeah, we're just gonna wash off the juice. Okay, so with the empty tin, you just fill that up with water and just keep pouring over the tomatoes until the juice is drained off. We've got the roasting dish and the tomatoes that have just been washed. Okay, so when the garlic's done, you just add that. You're meant to whisk it, but I don't have a whisk, so I'm just using a fork. But you just gotta kind of like, when you've got all of it whisked together, then it just needs to go in the oven on 220 for 45 minutes. And then you just need to stir it, the crispy bits up, and put it back in for 45 minutes. So that's it done. You can keep it in the fridge for a week, or it freezes really well. And then to serve, it's just adding pasta, usually spaghetti, and butter. That's the recipe done. So yeah, enjoy.